Do it for you, not for them. Too many people spend their lives chasing approval, trying to prove something to people who were never going to believe in them anyway. But the most important person you'll ever have to prove anything to is the person staring back at you in the mirror. Your dreams don't need permission. Your goals don't need validation. Your future doesn't require anyone else's approval. The people who doubt you today won't be the ones paying your bills tomorrow, and they certainly won't be the ones creating the life you've always wanted. So stop making decisions based on fear of criticism. Stop waiting for the perfect moment. Stop putting your future on hold because someone else can't see your vision. The greatest transformations begin the moment you decide that your life is worth fighting for. Every successful entrepreneur, business owner, and leader reached a point where they stopped living for other people's expectations and started building a future that reflected their own ambitions. Imagine waking up every morning knowing you're building something that belongs to you. Imagine creating an income that continues to grow because of the work you put in today. Imagine having the freedom to decide how much you're worth instead of waiting for someone else to give you permission to earn more. That's what entrepreneurship offers, and that's exactly what we're building at TruPowur. We help homeowners and businesses save money on one of their largest monthly expenses, energy. It's a service people already need, which means you're not convincing people to buy something unnecessary. You're helping them make smarter financial decisions while creating long-term residual income for yourself. Every customer you help has the potential to become another step toward the financial freedom you've been working for. The question isn't whether someone else believes you can do it. The question is, do you believe you can? Because once you make that decision, everything changes. So if you're ready to reinvent your future, build a 7-figure compounding residual income by helping customers save money on something they already use every day, energy. It's time to stop settling for less and start taking control of your financial destiny. To learn more, visit TruPowurCareer.com, and we'll see you on the inside.